Alright, so I'm finally back to the party. Overall, I gotta say, today was hella busy. Okay, so the two parts that we were missing finally came in. Kinda late, since it's already the party, but...
Extremely late. It got here at 7:48, somewhere around there.
You gotta be f***ing kidding me.
That was f***ing late as shit. I got lucky because Kelvin and Cass came at the exact same moment. So what I did, they were still in the car and they brought presents. Like that's their present. So I was like, I can't really have them coming in and be like, hey Alicia, here's your present. Because like that gives away everything.
Yeah.
So I was like, alright, cool. I just grabbed my keys. I'm like, alright, hold up guys, I gotta do something. I just closed the door, pretended to leave. I was like, alright guys, help me take all the PC parts out of my car and help me bring them through the second entrance up to my room so no one sees them. And they're like, that's all the parts. They help me come up. Now the plan is, since none of us are like,
I mean, I have some knowledge, but I need...
But it'll take a while.
Yeah, but Juan, he does
that
like,
fast.
He's like, yo.
Like,
exactly. So this is the plan right now. Oh, sorry, Juan.
Yeah. So pretty much, when I had all the parts for my PC, it was about 10 o'clock. I told Juan, we can build this right now instead of waiting a day. Come over right now. So he came over my house around 10 o'clock. He built that under an hour.
It was an hour? I thought it was 2.
No, it was an hour.
Oh my god, he's so quick. Fast.
He was great.
So after I heard that, I came up with this plan. So Juan called me. That's why I went outside. I was suspicious, like, oh yeah, let me take this. I think Alicia and everybody else believed it was like a business call. Cause
Wait. Just to make sure. Okay.
Yeah, make sure. Alright. So they all believed it was a business call because, you know, OG CEO over here. But like, he called me. He's like, all right, I just got to work. I'm going to home. I'm going to see if I can get the car to come here. When he comes, I'm going to sneak him into the second entrance that leads directly to the second floor to this floor. And then no one will know he's here except me, you, and Andrew. That's our...
Okay.
Because we're the only ones...
Oh, yeah, so they won't... Oh, my God, they won't even know.
While we're downstairs buying time... Juan is gonna be here building that PC.
Oh my god, we actually are doing. Oh my god.
Yes, dude, I'm not CEO for nothing, bro.
Dude, we're like so secretive.
Yeah. All right. So while he's busy building that, we're just gonna be buying time. Be like, oh yeah, where's Juan? I don't know. He's probably getting ready or getting the car ready or something like that. Taking a shower. Yeah. Like he's pretty sweaty.
Getting
right
dressed up. Yeah.
Yeah. So when he's done building the PC, I'm gonna have him send him a text. He's like, yo, I'm GG, and I'm like, all right, dudes. Let's do this. I'm gonna have Brittany be like, all right, guys, I gotta go. I'm gonna see if I can come back, but I don't know. I gotta work early tomorrow and shit. And she's gonna go out, going through in the second entrance and come up here, grab the cake that's in the fridge right now, and then I'll have her like stand ready. Juan, I'm gonna have him ready with the PC, and then I'm gonna be like, yo, Ali, can you do something real quick? I'm gonna try to send her to the kitchen. Or to the fridge outside, like my porch, and then while everybody does that, we turn off all the lights in the living room, and then we set up the PC. We just put it on the table, and then when she comes in, we're just like, surprise, bitch! And then GG, we celebrate. We turn up like.
Wait, so we send her by herself outside?
Send her with somebody to make it more convincing. Be like, yo.
You go with so and so to do this.
I'm gonna try to send her with you.
I'm down for that.
Like, yo, Andrew, Alicia, go get something. That's right.
I bet. Or like you can send Alicia and I'll be like, I'll go with.
I put the soda in the fridge. You can move it to the fridge on the porch.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that'll be super convincing.
There we go. And I'll just tell her like, I'll give her the whole spiel like,
so that's why you only had everyone grab only one?
Yeah.
Okay,
so
that makes sense.
We
have to go back and get it.
Room,
so I'll say like, right here, let's go check it over the fridge, and I'll try to like save as much time as possible.
Yeah, try to buy at least 25 to 30 seconds.
Oh, that's easy. Yeah, I got
exactly.
That's
so
easy.
Yeah, so dude,
great.
Yeah. We got this. Oh my god.
I feel like we're planning this like it's a heist.
Yeah, this feels like a heist.
But it's like the opposite of a heist.
Yeah.
Instead of taking, we're giving.
Yeah.
But honestly, this rain was pretty dope.
Yeah, it looks pretty dope.
Yeah.
And later on, she can probably get herself maybe another RAM, maybe it's something else.
Yeah, she can
upgrade it and all that.
The important part is that we just started off with a pretty decent PC, I'd say. Yeah.
Okay, so
look at it from this angle.
Oh, she actually finished it?
Yeah, she finished it.
Oh my
Careful
god.
with the thing. Zeus, stop.
Zeus.
Sit.
Oh my god, that was scary.
Alright guys, let's go downstairs. Let's not try to cause too much suspicion.
Yeah.
Okay, what? Alright guys, Guys, phase 1 of the plan is going down. I just snuck John out of the party. Yo, phase 1 going down right now.
Oh my god, no one knows you're here too.
I know.
I didn't even know you were here. I was just chilling down there.
Good. Sick.
This is sick, yo.
Alright, let me update you guys. So I briefed Brittany on it. She's good and updated. Right now I'm gonna get Andrew to move all the sodas to the outside of the porch. So he can buy the 25 seconds we need to get everything ready.
Oh my god.
What's up?
Yo.
Look at this beauty.
Oh my god, I'm so excited for this to be finished build.
This looks so nice.
I'm so excited for this to be finished.
Me too.
Freaking Alicia is down there. What the hell? I closed the curtain so she doesn't see us, but like, what the hell? Why is he there?
You see this shit, John? You see it?
Yeah.
You know what that is?
That's CPU.
CPU done. Alright, so the CPU is in right now. And I'm unscrewing these brackets so I could put in the CPU cooler. And I got out of work. So I could come to this party and work some more. Bust it. Don't bust it. I'm trying not to bust it, John. Okay, you know what?
Okay, good.
A stick of RAM. This is 8 gigs. Sorry, Alicia, you only get 1 stick of RAM. You could put your in the case.
We're literally building this PC like right in front of her.
Oh, yeah,
Like she can't see us, but like she's like right down there, downstairs outside.
we see her, but she can't see us. Yes! Yes! This case is awesome! Man, I actually do not want to f this shit up. At least Alicia has a lot of PCIe slots. That motherboard's better than mine, man. So the motherboard is in, guys. And after this, I'm gonna put the power supply in. At least you got a nice ass case. This case is sick. It's smaller than mine, but it's cool. Alright, so every screw is in except for this bitch right here. This won't come out. I think I stripped it too.
Fuck.
Unless I like push extremely hard and I try to... All the screws are in. We're gonna need the power supply. Oh, it's nice and shiny new power supply.
Are they playing Hamilton downstairs?
They better not be.
I think I hear it.
If they're playing Hamilton, I'm out of here.
Jeez.
I'm actually gonna give up on this PC then, if she's new cable smell. Big ass power supply. You just slip that. Oh, actually, oops. Oops. You see, I forgot. I don't build in PCs with a shroud in it because I leave the fan in the upwards position. But since there is no upwards position for the shroud, I'm gonna have to put it downwards. Put that PC in there. I got it. This PC looks so cool. It looks like actually legit. You put a graphics card in this bitch, and there you go.
Yeah, I mean she can save up for one, and then
She totally can. Like if she's like, oh, I'm sick and tired of playing Sims and Fortnite on low settings.
basically did like all the work for her. All she needs is just a graphics card. Let's see if they're still out there. Okay, good, they're gone.
Yo, John. May you please be a dear and pass me the hard drive?
Why, here you go.
Thank you. Ooh, yeah. Terabyte. Andrew, if you're watching this, sorry about your hard drive, Mike. I bought Andrew a really cheap motherboard, right? I mean, a really cheap hard drive, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it when we plugged it in, right, it didn't work.
Jeez.
What the fuck you put this in? Oh,
Dumbass.
fuck you, John. Alright, build this PC. I'm out of here. That's it. It's in there.
Pop that right in. Oof.
Oof, yes indeed. Big ass cable.
Yes, please.
That's a big ass fucking cable.
Okay, so we have the hard drive in, we have the power supply in, we have the motherboard in, the RAM is in. Dude, all she needs is a
60.
graphics card, like an actual good graphics card.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
You're not gonna get
No!
You would have thought.
That's actually Kevin's
actually-
graphics card.
Yeah, let me show you.
He's actually trying to build a PC as well, and so that's. Imagine.
Not too shabby.
That's a fat ass.
Wait, what is it?
1070, I think.
Yo, just give her that 1070.
You would have thought. Unless you want to buy me a 1080.
I have a 1060.
1080.
Ti.
Okay, so now, why was Alicia outside? Like, we literally could see her right there.
All right. So the reason she was outside, she's wearing about 3 layers right now. And
Oh, okay, yeah.
there's a lot of body heat downstairs, so she
That
was
makes
hot
sense.
and walked outside, and yeah.
Okay, so like, I was right here taking the case out, trying to take
Like,
it
right
out.
here, right here. He was
Yeah,
standing right
I
here,
was standing right here. I was
near the
like-
window.
Yeah, I was standing outside. I was right outside. Like, I was like, oh hi, Alicia. I was like, what, Alicia?
And we're like, close the curtains!
Oh my god. Honestly, I hope she didn't see you guys.
I know.
I really do.
Dude, he was pulling the PC out right in front of that window.
Oh my god. Alright, so far this is looking good. What else do you need to put in? One.
He's just basically plugging everything in.
USB. Nice to go one day.
Phase 1 almost complete. I'm gonna start setting up phase 2. Lock the door.
Okay,
And
I'll
when I
lock it.
knock, I'm gonna knock like. What's that good knock?
Yeah, okay. Okay, it's locked.
John, can you help me? Can you grab those cables?
Okay, yeah. Alright,
You see
so
him, right? You see him?
yeah. Alright, so at the moment we're just like plugging all these tiny little wires. Oh, those freaking prongs.
Can I get some light, please?
Alright, so now we basically have everything plugged in.
Yeah,
We're just gonna
we're
plug it
cutting
in.
pretty close.
We're just gonna plug it in, see if it works. If it works, we finally finished. Can I press the button?
Oh, me. F you. I built this.
Yeah, he built it. He gets to. Oof. Oof. Wanna connect it to the screen?
Yo, that's actually sexy.
Can I take it off?
No.
Yeah, take it off.
No, that's for Alicia.
You think so?
Yeah. Alright, cool. Done?
Yeah, done.
Alright. 5 minutes. Stage 2 is starting. I'll tell you when Bernie commences stage 2.